Welcome to a new video on my combined Arduinos. Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega2560 and the Arduino MegaADK. ADK for Android development kit, but there's no Android. Not involved anyway. Each board, each Android is connected to another computer, so 3 computers, 3 cameras, 3 breadboards which are interconnected. Last time I had a problem with one LED that doesn't work. This one. It should be the same as this one. And this one is at the moment the same as that one. So why doesn't it work? That's something I want to find out, because a short test showed that it does work. Let's see on any of the Linux computers why that could be the case. And like last time, a little show of the 3 computers. So this one with view on the Arduino Uno with working LED, then also the Arduino environment, the serial monitor, and actually to show that I had to take a command of the interface. Otherwise it wouldn't do anything. Why that is, I still don't know. Yeah, it is a setting I could do somewhere, but this works as well. So this one is for the Uno. Then this one is for focus on the Mega2560 with this LED that is in focus. And the third computer, which is focused on the Arduino MegaADK with softer sound, because I am more than 1.5 meter away from the microphone. And you can see here that I also had to change ownership to make something work in the serial monitor. Anyway, this works. Hopefully it keeps working. So back to the Mega2560. Alright, with this rather lengthy and explanatory introduction, the point is still with this LED. So then the resistor array, this is the LED in question. Last time I measured it. It gives a voltage. It gives a voltage over it if I put a multimeter to it. When I put this one here with this LED, it works. When I have, which also showed last time, the multimeter on this one, and then I have to go to actually the computer for the Uno, because there is the LED. It works as well, but there's a difference. So this one is clearly working. This one clearly is not working, yet the voltage is over it. The same voltage applies from here to here. So what is the difference? Well, it can't be that the difference is a resistor. It's the same resistor. The wiring is from this side of the resistor to here to the LED. Wire, resistor, LED. exactly the same thing. The wire comes from here. Measured it last time, it's the same. With the LED working, although not showing, what is the difference? I know there are different LEDs, in the sense a bit larger physics, but that can't be the explanation in this case. What I also did last time was shifting this LED in different holes, which did not make a difference. And since the voltage is the same, this wire is okay, which only makes it a bigger question. So for now, also since the other LED that is more up here is still working, although it has more short flashes, then I should get a hold of it somehow. But the big question is, why doesn't it work while the signal is okay? Okay, so to find out what to do, I have taken yet another LED, which you see right here, and guess what, it doesn't work. But before I put it in, I tested it and it works. So in schematics, it's this new edition, new LED, and it doesn't show activity, although yes, like I said, it works. So next test is to put this one in control with the Uno, like it is under control of the Uno now, but just on a different breadboard. Let's see how that works out. Should work. Okay, so now again on the Uno side, because this is the Arduino Uno, I will take this LED and put it here. So, taking it out, turning, because it should be connected correctly. And now I have to be careful with the wire. Okay, that goes nice. And this goes nice as well. And now it's a mystery, because why doesn't this LED work right now? I know it works. Although it does work. Very faint. And maybe if I turn it to... See, it does work. Okay. Now back here. It works quite faint. So, not here. It doesn't do anything here. So, given the fact that the LED here doesn't work here, and here it does work, but quite faint, will these work? Okay. And let's do it right here. And actually, be careful. It doesn't do a thing. Well, it does work. So that is very strange. Okay. Mystery added by mystery. So this one works, but not here, while on the same wire. That's what I call oddities. Okay, what's next? Well, apparently I didn't have a very good connection, because this LED is here again and it works. So what applies for this one applies for this one as well. It works on this board, just not here. Very strange. Right, so now I have made another connection, fischertechnik wire, parallel to this wire, and as you can see by the analog needle, when I put the probes together, that happens, so there is connection then. So I put them against the newly connected wire and it says they're perfect connection. Then I put the probe black to black, then out of view I put it to the working LED with the Uno. Oh, and then I of course have to measure voltage, change of setting. Maximum is 12 volts. What does it here at the Uno? Nothing. That is a bit strange. It doesn't show any voltage at all. And 3 volts then. Okay, that could mean that there is a problem with the mass. Yeah, that is better. Alright, this mass point is not connected. The mass point on the board with the Uno is connected, and let me put this on front. Now you can see that the needle is definitely moving, so there's pulse. Then I put it right here, and there's most definitely pulse, and much stronger as well, so I put it up to 12. Let me see if I can make this a bit clearer. Okay, then I put it up to the supposedly defective LED, which is not effective at all, and it gets very clear signal. Then on the LED that I put in last, which gives a very clear signal. So 2 working LEDs which do work straight at the Uno, and despite a new wire which has a clear connection and it doesn't do anything. Strange but true. So the point is what to do next, because this should work. that is clear. So even with two LEDs tested here, a fischertechnik wire and a clearly functioning needle of the multimeter, which shows the earth signal, I'm not quite sure what to think. Anyway, for now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Click a bell that there should be. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion please, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and please support by becoming a patron or donate via PayPal or IBAN. This is going to be continued. For now, have a nice day, stay safe, bye.